The Evansville area could see nearly a week of sub-freezing temperatures. The National Weather Service says Arctic air moving in after heavy rains and high winds could keep the mercury below 32 degrees for 6 days in a row, with chances of accumulating snow. Sub-zero wind chills are likely. An archway has been installed on North Main Street, welcoming people to Evansville's Jacobsville neighborhood. It's symbolic of investments in the neighborhood, including $15 million in the Complete Street program, housing developments, and hundreds of demolished or repurposed buildings. Donations were up during the latest holiday light display in Evansville's Garvin Park. Easter Seal says the 30th annual Ritzy's Fantasy of Lights raised more than $186,000 for its rehabilitation center. More on these and other stories at news.wnin.org.